Hey there! Did you recently purchase a purple mattress and find yourself staring at the big purple box wondering where to begin? Well, you're in the right place. In this guide, we're diving into exactly how to unpack purple mattress successfully, ensuring you can relish its comfort without any hassle. Step 1. Prepare your space. Before you dive into unpacking, you'll want to make sure you have a spacious area to work with. Clear any obstacles out of the way in the room where you'll be setting up your mattress. The purple mattress can be quite the space occupant during the expansion phase, so give it all the room it needs. Ensure your bed frame or platform is ready for the new arrival so you're not scrambling at the last minute. Step 2. Open the purple box. Now it's time to tackle the box. Gently lay the purple mattress box on its side in the general location where you want the mattress positioned. Carefully open the box by removing the tabs or cutting the tape holding it together. Use a box cutter or a pair of scissors for this task, but be cautious not to damage the mattress inside. Step 3. Remove the encased mattress. Slide the rolled up mattress out of the box. It will be encased in 2 layers of plastic wrap to preserve its condition and keep it compressed. Lay the encased mattress on your bed frame or flat surface. This step requires a bit of muscle if you're going to do it solo, so having a second pair of hands can make it easier. Step 4. Cut the outer plastic wrap. Once the mattress is in place, you'll need to remove the outer layer of plastic. Carefully cut along the seam, making sure not to pierce through the mattress itself. This will allow the mattress to fully unroll and begin its initial expansion. Step 5. Free the mattress from the inner plastic. Here comes the exciting part. Freeing your purple mattress from its inner plastic wrap, which is typically vacuum sealed. Using a pair of scissors or a box cutter, carefully cut along the seam to release the mattress. This will allow it to start expanding fully. At this point, you'll truly see it take shape and grow to its intended size. Step 6. Allow time for expansion. After removing all the packaging, give your purple mattress some time to fully expand. It can take up to 48 hours to reach its complete size and firmness level, though many find it's usable and comfortable after just a few hours. During this time, refrain from sleeping on it to ensure optimal expansion and comfort. Step 7. Enjoy your sleep revolution. Once your purple mattress has expanded to its full glory, it is ready to use. Dress it up with your favorite bedding and prepare yourself for a restful and rejuvenating sleep experience. With its unique grid technology and adaptive comfort, you're in for a sleep revolution. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide on how to unpack a purple mattress. From preparing your space to enjoying your first night's sleep, each step of the process is designed to be straightforward and stress-free. Remember, taking your time and handling the mattress with care during unpacking will lead to the best experience possible. By following these instructions, you'll be on your way to discovering the comfort and support that purple mattresses are renowned for, transforming your sleep routine into something extraordinary. Welcome to the world of purple, where innovation meets relaxation.